This is very nice. What is it where you go?
TIFF.
TIFF is what TIFF?
Where I'm going?
It TIFF where you go?
Huh?
How it TIFF?
You mean what?
What do you mean what me mean? You said TIFF, right?
Yes.
And that me ask. Oh.
How what?
So what, me deaf? Stick broke in the ears? Oh, it TIFF.
Not how. What?
Then under that me ask you the first time. Alright. Is what if?
The film festival.
What? A new slang this?
Huh?
How the film festival can TIFF?
Sista Din, it's not stiff. It's TIFF. TIFF. It stands for Toronto International Film Festival.
Oh, then say that then. You confuse people.
But
Alright, galanga your TIFF Film Festival.
okay, see you later.